10 years ago, Mahindra launched the XUV 500, an SUV which was the first of its kind. At the time, the XUV 500 was loaded with features that were not common and never heard before in a car of its type. It had a powerful M-Hawk engine under the hood, and the design was not the one we were used to witnessing from an Indian manufacturer. The pricing was awesome, and the impact it created in the market was not witnessed in a long time. That was the kind of SUV the XUV 500 was. But after almost 10 years of ruling the segment, it had to pass the torch to the next one. And the next torch bearer is here. Its name is the XUV 700. From the design, features, engine and price, it's targeting the same or even larger impact that was created by the XUV 500 at its time. It's trying to do the same thing, but in its own unique way. The hype around it has been at an all-time high since the images of the test mule were disclosed. People had already started making assumptions about it and whether it will be yet another successful product by Mahindra or not. Well, with all the things the XUV 700 is offering, there is no denying the fact that it has the potential to be the next superstar of its segment. Now, starting with its design, the first thing your attention will fall onto is the badge. It's not the normal Mahindra badge we are used to seeing. It's a completely new badge. And don't be surprised, it's not something that is specific to the XUV 700. It will be making its appearance on numerous Mahindra models in the future. And overall, it does look cool. It has brought in many of the segment first features such as an infotainment system with built-in Alexa, and you can just use your voice commands to open things like the sunroof. Mahindra has done things in this car that I can't get my mind revolving around. Because I have never seen a car getting features like these in under 15 lakh. It just seems impossible. But Mahindra is quite famous for making the impossible possible. The overall silhouette and the curves will remind you of the XUV 500, its predecessor. Most of the functions in the car can be operated through the screen, and the interior overall is a mix of buttons and screen, just the way I like it. In terms of quality, Mahindra has tried their best to provide the best quality they can under 15 lakhs. Some hard plastics can be spotted in the car, but the other features and quirks balance it out for me. Talking about the magnificent powerhouse that is propelling this thing is a turbocharged M-Stallion petrol engine with 200 PS of power and 380 Nm of torque. If you go for the diesel, you get the turbocharged M-Hawk diesel engine with 185 PS of horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, with the manual and 450 Nm of torque with the automatic. There are 3 driving modes in the XUV 700: Zip, Zap and Zoom. They might sound funny, but the name perfectly suits the function they perform. In Zip mode, the car makes it very comfortable for you to drive it in the city. In Zap mode, you will feel an extra boost of power, and in Zoom mode, all the torque will redirect itself to launching the car. Also, there is a custom mode in which you can change the settings to your liking. Now, Mahindra has always been for making some of the safest cars in the market regardless of the segment, and they have done the same with the XUV 700. It's one of the safest cars you can buy in the price range. It is equipped with safety systems like Advanced Driver Assistance System, which will ease up your driving focus a bit. That's for sure. There are also features like overspeed alerts, so if you ever go above a certain speed, you will be reminded by the car itself. And in case you fall asleep when surrounded by all of these comfort features, the driver's assistance system will alert you. Packing the safety of the XUV 700 are the 7 airbags. Dynamic Stability Control or DSC will monitor the movement of your car, especially around the corners, and will try to make your ride as smooth and safe as possible. Now, Mahindra wants its customers to have a lot of choices. Thus, they have kept many things as optional. For example, you can get the XUV 700 in a 5-seater or a 7-seater configuration. Also, you can choose if you want the all-wheel drive version or not. The numbers speak for themselves. It doesn't get crazier than this. These numbers result in the XUV 700 taking just 4.6 seconds from 0 to 60 kmph. which by the way is the best in its class. And if you find an open road long enough, something like the Natrax, then you can go up to speeds of 200 kmph. And as far as I know, if the XUV700 actually reaches this speed, then it might be the first Indian SUV to do so. Even the sound system on the XUV700 is top notch. A 12-speaker Adrenox system with 3D surround technology. Listening to music and podcasts in the XUV700 will surely hit different. Now let's talk about some competition that the XUV700 has to face. The first competitor is the Tata Safari. In terms of the design and size, they are both very similar. They both are continuing the legacy of their predecessor. In terms of practicality, they stand on the same ground. But when we start going into the features, the XUV700 emerges as the clear winner, as the list of features is very long on the XUV700. Even in terms of safety, the XUV700 is providing features that were unheard of. So I won't be surprised if the XUV700 surpasses these SUVs in terms of sales numbers and fan base. The other competitor is the MG Hector Plus, which needless to say is not ahead of the XUV700 in terms of literally anything. Talking about the pricing, at 12 lakhs ex showroom Delhi, there could not be a more value for money SUV than this in the market. It has got the looks, the features, the safety, the pricing. What more can a consumer possibly ask for? The base variant of the XUV700 might not be as cool as the upper variants, as the screen will be smaller and it will be missing out on the features that Mahindra is proud of. But for people who want a premium looking car and don't have a high budget, can definitely settle for it. It's a good car. So everyone, that will be all for this time. I trust you liked this one. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to MotorDrift for more such content in the future. Also, join in the MotorDrift community by clicking the Discord link in the description below. We would love to have you as a part of it. Till then, ciao.